Hi everybody and happy Friday. Today you are going to make 3 to 4 choices on your choice board for today, and one of them includes making a craft. So today we are going to make a rainbow craft, and I have already given and provided those materials for you, so go ahead and get that out. So you will need a cloud, and I have either cut those out or for some of you that are working on your cutting skills, this is the perfect opportunity to practice. You will also need a coffee filter. You'll need to flatten that out. And then you will also need some googly eyes that I've given you, and I've given you 3 just in case you lose one. You will also need a marker. Sorry, I don't mean one marker, I mean a pack of markers. All of the colors on the rainbow. Or honestly, you just use whatever colors you have. And then also you will need a spray bottle filled with water. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you will need to do is cut out your cloud if it's not already cut out. You're going to cut on the line, okay, as best as possible. Had to get my scissors. All right, so let's go ahead, and if your cloud is already cut out, then you can go ahead and skip this step, or you can just wait. It will probably take me a second to cut this out, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward. So I thought I fast forwarded, but I did not, so you saw the whole thing. Mine is not perfect, so yours probably isn't going to be either because it's really hard to cut out the shape, but go ahead and set that aside. Alright, so the next thing you're going to need is you're going to need your coffee filter and your markers. So go ahead and get all of the colors that are in the rainbow. And that's red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, and violet. And if you don't have any of those colors, just use what you have and I'm sure it will turn out great. And I don't know if I said green, but you will also need green. And so what you are going to do is you are going to color, you're going to use the rainbow colors in order, and you're going to use each color and color it using a circle. So ultimately it's going to look like a tie-dye craft, okay? All right. And friends, what's so fun about this craft is it does not have to be perfect. So you can use whatever artistic skills that you have, and you can even use different colors. Honestly, I know the rainbow only has a certain amount of colors, but hey, not all of us like to follow the rules. So use whatever colors you like. So after you use your markers and draw on the coffee filter, it should ultimately look similar to my paper. Alright, so the next thing that you're going to need is you're going to use this misting spray and you're going to mist the coffee filter. Now I recommend doing this on a flat surface so you can let it dry. So in this case, I used a baking sheet. So what you're going to do is you're going to spray your coffee filter. And you're going to see the colors run through. And that's what's supposed to happen. Alright, and you're going to just let this dry. So while your coffee filter is drying, you're going to make your cloud. So you're going to get your cloud, your googly eyes, and you're going to need a black marker. There we go. And I keep forgetting things today, friends. You will also need a glue stick or just some regular glue. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to put some glue on your eyes and you're going to put it on the cloud. Alright, so go ahead and get your other eye and do the same for that. Voila! And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a smiley face on your cloud. So you can get creative with this. I'm just going to do something really cute and simple. And I'm going to draw my cloud like that. So I made my cloud have dimples. So I just drew a line, and then I drew 2 lines that connected. And your smiley can look however you want it to look like. All right, let's go check on our coffee filter. Right, so for the most part, my coffee filter is dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half, crease it. I'm going to open it back up. And then I'm going to cut on that creased line, okay? So what I did was cut it in half, and you're just going to throw away the side that you don't like as much. So honestly, I like this one better because I think the colors look better, so I'm just going to throw this one away, or you can make another cloud. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to use my glue, and I'm going to put glue around my cloud. And I'm just going to set it on top, and oh my goodness, my eye fell off. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's all right. And you're just going to put it over the rainbow. And if your eye falls off, you just glue it back on. Oh my. And there you have it. You have a rainbow craft. I have got some orange on my cloud, but that is a-okay. And ultimately, I think it turned out pretty good. I wish I just would have made my cloud a little bit bigger so it would cover my entire rainbow, but ultimately, I think it looks really cute. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making your rainbow craft, and I will see you all next week. Have a good weekend.